This is definitely a 5-star service level. Unbox Hilton Beijing Capital Airport. Look at this amazing indoor pool. Taste the local and international breakfast. How about the deluxe room?
Hi, I'm Tree Papa, a travel enthusiast and proud father of 3. Discover family-friendly spots and tips of making the most of your travels. Join me, let's explore together.
Good night, Beijing Capital Airport. After the trade war began, the reviews on YouTube are getting fewer. Due to business requirements, special thanks to Tree Mama for supplying the footage and making this video happen. Before we unbox the full facilities of Hotel Hilton Beijing Capital Airport, as always, I will let you know how Tree Mama got here. Previously, she flew China Airlines A330-300 in economy class, experienced the signature China Airlines lounge in Taipei. How was the onboard dining? Beijing Capital Airport Hotel. This is a 5-star airport hotel with complimentary shuttle bus services, which is a big plus. Upon entering, the first impression is definitely 5-star facilities. The lobby has very high ceilings and spacious designs with premium material. However, the color tones just look a bit far from fashion. After check-in, our room today is on the 4th floor. Look at this classic wooden color, plus luxurious decorations and spacious walkways. And I will unbox our twin deluxe room today, number 4057. The hotel is an L-shaped building with around 100 rooms on this floor. There's a small seating area for shoe changing, and we will find out the bathroom. Upon entering, we got a shower room with a rain shower, a separated toilet room. Mirror with a brightness feature, a large tap and sink, complimentary drinking water on the table. In the drawers, I can find a hairdryer and full amenities you may expect from the hotel. On the other side, there's a bathtub to relax a bit. In the hallway, there are 2 closets. One side is reserved large space, not sure the purpose. And on the other side, you can find hangers, ironing facilities, a safe box, slippers, and laundry bags. It's time to explore the bedroom. We have a twin room type today. I will use the term classic to describe the room design. It is spacious enough to fit in a sofa chair, a working desk, and luggage for 2 people. 2 more bottles of water on the TV table. A water boiler. Also, you can find teacups and glasses in the drawer. On the other side, there's a fridge, but it's empty. A little bit surprised, the TV is under the Samsung brand since there are many brands in China. The smart TV integrates all the facility info and in-room dining menu in it. The highlight is 24-hour shuttle bus, 6 restaurants, and a swimming pool ready. Let's take a look at the pricing. Beef burger, 158 RMB plus 15% service charges, around 25 USD. Well, definitely overpriced, but common in 5-star hotels. There's also a movie on demand for your entertainment choices. Alright, let's take a look at their health-related facilities. They are located on the 6th floor. Spa is also available here. Walk further, and you could find the fitness center. Enter with a lot of training machines. The swimming facility is definitely a hit. It's an indoor heated pool, and it is so large. Surprisingly, no one is using it now. Alright, we will head back to the room and take good rest for the meetings tomorrow. Before we unbox the breakfast buffet,
I hope you've been inspired by my hard-working videos. Your like and subscribe to encourage me to provide more quality contents in the future.
Good morning. Now let's head to the buffet. It's truly an international breakfast buffet, a variety of hot dishes, around 60% local style, and the rest are Western selections. Cold dishes got cheeses, salad bar, and also fresh fruits. Of course, juices, yogurt, pastries and bread are available. Hams and smoked salmon are right here. Finally, this is the choice from Tree Mama. How do you think? Staff are very helpful to bring the luggage to the shuttle bus. In summary, Hilton Beijing Capital Airport is a premium choice for business travelers. However, their food offerings are truly overpriced. I recommend ordering food through online delivery with more reasonable prices and local flavors if possible. In my next video, Tree Mama will fly back to Taipei via EVA Air A3 3300 in economy class, but try the kids' meal.
Stay tuned. Thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video.